Kiki'S Storyland.
Meet Max, a cheerful boy who loves adventures. And this is Buddy, his loyal dog.
What is it, Buddy? Did you find something? Pulling out the box. Wow, Buddy, look at this old box. I wonder what's inside. Let's find out.
Max and Buddy have discovered a secret box filled with mysterious treasures.
Look, Buddy, it's a map of our house, but there are secret passages marked on it. Let's explore.
Max and Buddy bravely enter the unknown, ready for an adventure.
This is so cool. Look at these symbols, Buddy. Here we go.
Max and Buddy step into a magical room where anything is possible.
Welcome, travelers. You have found the entrance to the enchanted playroom.
An enchanted playroom? Wow, what can we do here?
Many things, young one. But first, you must solve a riddle to prove your worth.
I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I?
I know, it's an echo.
Correct, Max. You and Buddy are truly brave and clever. As a reward, you may each make one wish.
I wish for Buddy to be able to talk to me.
Max, I can talk now.
This is the best adventure ever.